Thanks for joining us for the next part of our webinar. Let's take a look at the new capabilities that enhance existing Sketch workflows. Let's go ahead and finish the design of this support bar. Giving you more flexibility when working with arcs and splines, we can now switch the tangency direction using the new option on the right mouse button menu. This option eliminates the need to delete and recreate the entity, which could otherwise cause downstream failure of reference features. Now when working with 3D sketches, you can build a symmetry at any time by mirroring a sketch entity. And not only that, planes can now also be used as mirror references in both 2D and 3D sketches. Symmetrical relations are captured and maintained, giving you visualization of the complete shape as you refine your design. Now you can build all the design intent you want right from the start. These new capabilities in SOLIDWORKS 2018 makes working with sketch geometry easier. Let's take a look at drawings enhancements, and we'll use a bonnet hinge as an example. 3D model views are a great way of communicating product manufacturing information that has been applied directly to the model using Dimension Expert or SOLIDWORKS MBD. However, for many customers, a 2D drawing is still required as the final deliverable. In SOLIDWORKS 2018, when adding new views to a drawing, any pre-existing 3D model views now appears in the view palette, ready for placement to the drawing sheet. A variety of options lets you choose which annotation types to include, and a simple drag and drop is all that is required to place the view. Let's go ahead and include the 3D annotations. The Advanced Hole feature is a powerful tool for creating complex, multi-step holes. In SOLIDWORKS 2018, you can now quickly and easily detail an advanced hole using the hole callout feature. As you place the callout, new options gives you control over how the information is displayed. SOLIDWORKS 2018 offers you even more flexibility over how drawing information is displayed. When working with section views, layers can be used to get cross-hatch visibility, style, and color. The behavior of trailing zeros is even easier to control. Using a new set of options in the document settings, you can specify the trailing zero display for dimensions, tolerance, and properties independently of one another. Now we can create broken out sections of an existing section and alternate position view. Starting with the section view of this hinge mechanism, after first defining the broken out region, in this example, a pre-sketched rectangle can be used to create clarity by mixing up the cross-hatch scaling of each component. Next, moving over to the alternate position view of the hinge mechanism. This previewed sketch circle can be used to create a broken out section detailing the arm and bracket fixing area. These are just a couple of examples of how you can create complex broken out sections of more view types with minimal effort. Next, enhancements is one of my favorite. Now, company standards often require that all text on a drawing should be capitalized. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2018, when editing tables, a handy new option on the table toolbar enables you to instantly switch all text to be uppercase, regardless of how it was typed. These are some of the powerful new productivity enhancements in SOLIDWORKS 2018 that will help you get your design documented faster than ever. Let's take a look at another topic in our next video.